Whose character are you really looking forward to watching in this upcoming season of Mirzapur?
Ali would be interesting to see what he's done with his graph.
If not Madhuri, which other character would you have loved to play?
Golu's part is really good.
If you could bring back a dead character from Mirzapur.
Munna! Hi, namaste. This is Isha Talwar. You're watching me on Bollywood Hangama.
Rapid fire with Isha Talwar.
Yes.
What is your go-to line to cut short a boring conversation?
I start talking to the next person. Yeah. I just completely zone out and start talking to the next person.
Would Isha ever date someone?
Actually, I changed the topic and I start talking about something about my life.
Acha,
That's what I really do.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Would Isha ever date someone like Munna Bhaiya?
Yeah, I could. It's possible. Love is blind. It really is.
Whose character are you really looking forward to watching in this upcoming season of Mirzapur?
Ali would be interesting to see what he's done with his graph.
A quote or dialogue from the series that you use most often?
I keep doing फिर भी ठीक है a lot. But जब पुराना जाएगा तभी तो कुछ नया होगा. वही वाला ना?
Correct.
You get the gist of
Correct,
it. वही
correct.
वाला हाँ. वो बार-बार वो निकलता है इधर उधर you know. हाँ.
If not Madhuri, which other character would you have loved to play?
Golu's part is really good. Golu has a very good part.
If you could become the CM of any state, which Mirzapur character would you allot to do the following departmental heads? Okay. सबसे
If
पहले
I had to become the
हाँ, आप CM हैं
मैं
मान
chief
लीजिए,
minister हूँ,
हाँ,
okay.
तो होम मिनिस्ट्री किसे संभालनी होगी मिर्जापुर के किस कैरेक्टर
कालीन भैया तो उसको उनको दे देते हैं वो लाला को I'll give it to all the other characters
फाइनेंस
रदिया
मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कल्चर
Ministry of Culture my uncle Yadav ji
एनवायरमेंट
Environment I'll give it to Suryakant Tripathi my father
बहुत सही इफ यू कुड ब्रिंग बैक अ डेड कैरेक्टर फ्रॉम मिर्जापुर
Munna that's it this ends there
what do you think would be the last Google search of the following characters सबसे पहले माधुरी
new textile prints
मुन्ना भैया
हम अमर हैं हम मर चुके हैं हम गूगल सर्च नहीं करते अब
कालीन भैया
Kaleen Bhaiya is probably checking out what are the cool new gadgets in the market.
गुड्डू
Guddu is probably checking out clothes and garments are done, no? He's probably figuring out what to eat next.
Yeah.
Yeah.
अंडे कहाँ मिलते हैं सस्ते
हाँ, I think he's moved on. He needs more protein in season 3.
एंड फाइनली बीना त्रिपाठी
Beena is probably checking out new diapers for her child or something. Yeah.
Have you given out spoilers under peer pressure ever?
All the time. Not under pressure, out of just being me.
You didn't give us spoilers now.
Okay, इतना बड़ा स्पॉइलर दिया
क्या स्पॉइलर दिया
कि मुन्ना की आत्मा नहीं है
वो
show
मैंने ही
में।
बोला
तुमने बोला मैंने कंफर्म किया
That is not a spoiler, that's a disappointment. Anyway.
It is. I agree. It is a disappointment. I agree.
Have you revealed the release date prior to the official announcement?
I didn't know it.
अच्छा,
Till
ठीक है।
जब सबको पता चला तब मुझे पता चला.
Ever had an argument with a co-star?
Ever, yes, little bit here and there. You know, I don't like when actors try to direct you in a scene. There is a director. You have to listen to the director and he will tell you what to do. Sometimes, no, actors start directing each other. If you have a rapport, it's different. If you don't know a person, don't do that because वो अपना कुछ करके आए तुम अपना करो. है ना? Because I don't like to do this to somebody. So sometimes some people try this.
Yeah.
Men and women.
Yeah.
This is not to
Categorize this,
Yeah, this is not to categorize the men and say okay, men are doing this. Men and women. They start telling you what to do in a scene, and I don't like that because I can only take instructions from one person, which is the director. It's as simple as that. Yeah.
Isha, I had a great time. Thank you so
you,
much.
Thank
It
you.
was a pleasure. You look lovely, and of course, we're looking forward to Mirzapur season.
Hi, namaste. This is Isha Talwar. You're watching me on Bollywood Hangama.